In this video, I'm going to show you how to add formula to checkbox in Notion. So as you know, Notion does not allow direct insertion of formulas to checkbox cells in workspace and pages. So to do that, what we have to do is we insert a table as a database. Then we start creating a cell or column for checkbox. Then beside that, we add a column separate for formulas. To do that, after successfully accessing your home page, we go to template. And here, this is the page that we're going to use. And as you can see, currently this is empty. Now we activate the table database block. We simply type slash in here. Then we search for table, and you can see we have table view from database. We click this, and this will then show various columns in here where you can start adding specific columns. So on the name, we simply input in here, let's say test name. This is just the name. Then we add a property. Let's say we're going to add a checkbox. Then in here, since we already have a checkbox cell, we add formula. Let's simply search for formula. And now we have successfully added a checkbox column and formula. So if you would like to add a formula corresponding to the checkbox, you simply type your formula in here, insert formula, and after that, the formula will run successfully for the checkbox in here. And that's about it. That's how to add formula to checkbox in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.